I take a teaspoon of this once a day. It's getting to be the time of the year where cold and flu season is rampant. We like to go the natural way, so I'm going to make a concoction here that really works for us, and a lot of our friends have adopted it. It really works for them too. So I'm just cutting right now my cayenne peppers. So come along with me and I'll show you how to make this. You will need a clean jar. I just washed it. Some garlic. It doesn't really matter how much. I like a lot of garlic. And some cayenne pepper. And some honey. I find that the red pepper is better than the green one. So you just cut a little bit because a little goes a long way. What you want to do is get the oil. So I use this little device here. You don't need to have this. Just as long as you can get the oil out of the pepper. It's very, very hot. A little goes a long way. Then you squeeze your garlic. Again, I don't have a recipe for this. Just use as much garlic as you want. I start with a few cloves and just keep adding. It needs to be raw garlic though. And then, of course, your honey. The best honey you can find would be better, organic. But if you don't have any of that, that's fine. Just use some honey to taste. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, that's hot. Ah, good stuff. Oh. Yeah. Perfect for me. Some people can stand it a little bit hotter, and that's okay. I'm a wimp when it comes to chili, so I put a lot more honey than cayenne pepper, but it's really good. I take a teaspoon of this once a day for a preventative method. But if you happen to have a cough, then you could take it as often as you want to stop the cough, and it usually does. But in the wintertime, this is really, really important, and it's very organic, natural, so you could take as much as you want. Hope you like that. And as always, hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe.